In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends in FC24 on PC. To do this, when you are on the main menu, you can find this button on the right bottom corner. Click it with the mouse or with your controller. Here, you can add friends by going to different requests or simply player search. If someone sends you a request, you can accept it right here. Also, you can search for players. For example, we can type Holland, and as you can see, there are 10 players with the nickname Holland. If you want to add any of these players, you can click OK and send the friend request. If you have any friends, you can find them on this first tab. In my case, the friend list is empty, and there's also a recently met section. If you play with someone and it was fun, you can also add them to the friends. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.